This video is brought to you by LabViewHacker.com. Hey, this is Sam K from LabViewHacker.com. I wanted to show you a utility that I built called Front Panel Clean-Up. So when you're working on a toolkit or library in LabVIEW, it's not uncommon to have tens or even hundreds of sub-VIs. And it can be kind of a pain to spend the time to make those sub-VIs have nice front panels and block diagrams, but it can really help when you're debugging your own code. So as a result, I created the Front Panel Cleanup utility. And the utility is currently part of the LabVIEW Hacker toolbox, which is just a collection of VIs and utilities that are used in a lot of the LabVIEW Hacker interfaces. So there's a link below with information on how to install the LabVIEW Hacker toolbox. It uses VI Package Manager from JKI, so it's really easy to install. Once you have it installed, you can open LabVIEW and open a front panel and press Control Space to bring up the Quick Drop menu, and then click Configure, and then click on the Control Key Shortcuts tab, and you should see the Front Panel Cleanup shortcut listed. By default, it's usually Control $. I change it to Control F so that it's easy to get to. And so when I cancel this, you can see I have a block diagram here with some controls and indicators that are just kind of randomly placed. And you'll notice they're wired to the terminal block. So the way the Front Panel Cleanup utility works is it maps the controls and indicators on the front panel based on the location that they're connected to the terminal block. So if I hit Control Space to bring up Quick Drop and now Control F, the Front Panel Cleanup utility runs, and it arranges all my controls and indicators based on their connections to the terminal block. So this should work for all the terminal blocks and any type of control or indicator, and it's an easy way to just quickly organize your front panel, and especially useful on sub-VIs where you want it to look nice, but at the end of the day, no one's really going to see it, and there's nothing on there that's not connected to the terminal block. So again, there's installation instructions for the LabVIEW Hacker toolbox below this video. Make sure to check out LabViewHacker.com for more utilities like this and cool LabVIEW interfaces.